would like to wish you happy.
Hello.
Hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Happy Eid. Today is
Thank you.
Eid.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so I thought ki you would not come today because today is
Yeah,
the celebration.
I'm reading now. I'm waiting for you. I was.
Okay, so what did you do since morning?
Since morning, I wake up. I woke up early in the morning. Then I get fresh. Then I go to. I went to pray in the morning.
Okay, so how many times you pray? I heard like 3 times a day
A
it
day
is
in a
happening.
day. In a day, 5 time. In a day.
Okay, so 5 times. So you are doing 5 times prayer or just
Yes.
what
Yes. Yes.
what you are doing 5 times prayer?
Yes.
Okay. But what do you think nowadays people are following this thing means they have that much time that they do prayers for 5 times like if they are going office so
Yes.
are they doing this thing?
Yes. Everybody are following these prayers. Like people were going to office, then come to home. They came to home, then start the prayer. They started the prayer.
Okay. So
And what about
okay,
you?
yeah, sorry.
What about you?
Yeah, first of all you tell me about yourself, then I will introduce myself.
Okay, no problem. My name is Chandraja, and I'm from Bokaro, Jharkhand. I am pursuing MCOM from second year. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies, watching short videos on YouTube channel, and I want to
Okay.
become a CA.
Okay. And if you want to know me, that I'm a simple woman. Like I teach small kids phonics, and
Yes,
nowadays I'm not teaching because the pandemic is going on, and
yes.
uh, and after pandemic maybe I start my classes again. And I'm from Mumbai.
Where are you from? Mumbai?
Mumbai from Thane, the Thane
Thane.
place.
Okay. I basically I went to Mumbai 1 years ago.
Okay.
Mm.
So, is there any purpose or just you have been here just for visiting, matlab, see the
Yes, I have
place
been
and all?
working. I have been working their places.
Okay. Which kind of work?
I'm I'm working of accounting department.
Okay. Then why did you go back?
That's starting the lockdown. Then I came back to home.
Okay. There are so many people who were living here and they have to go back because of the pandemic because everything shut down and they have to go there. Because
Yes.
if you don't have money, then you cannot survive in the Mumbai.
Yes.
It's very
Anyone,
expensive.
anyone. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Anyone people
See,
they do not have a job.
at least at your place, you are comfortable because you have a family members, you have some
Yes.
support. Here, out of your home, like so far from your home, this is new city for you. You just have came here and you started your life, and this thing happened. So
You are a
sad.
born. You are a born place.
Sorry,
You are a born place in Mumbai.
born place.
Yes.
No, I'm born and brought up in UP,
Okay.
Varanasi.
Yes.
Varanasi. Okay, after got married, I shifted here and I am living here with my in-laws and my husband.
And what does your husband do?
He is in private job,
Which types of job?
like he is in Russian company. He is working for a Russian company, and that Russian company work for courier. Like you know courier,
Yeah,
courier.
I know courier, like a post office, like a courier man.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Nowadays, this is only the way the people can send their things to one
yes,
place to another. because in the pandemic you cannot go one place to another place, but your stuff
Yes.
can go to this service.
Yeah. And did you join Kalipingo?
No, I didn't join. You have joined it?
I have taken one subscription, 1 month subscription.
Okay, so how are you feeling now? Means, do you feel any
Yes,
improvement in?
yes, I have little bit improved my English because first of all, I have removed my hesitation
Okay,
and a little bit English improved in front of
okay,
you, any people, any kinds of people.
okay. Good thing.
Why? Oh, and why do you learn English?
I I have been learning since a long time, but it was not consistent. Means I'm just practicing and then I quit. Again, I started practicing, then I quit. So it was like long time it has been. But now I'm serious. Now I really want to improve my English because I'm a teacher and I teach small kids. And
Yes,
nowadays,
yes,
if you're speaking good English, then it is plus
yeah.
point for you.
Yes, it is improving your good English. Then you promote your classes and then promote your money.
Yes, yes. So why you do? Why did you want to
Now
learn English?
I want to learn English because I get a job in abroad country.
Okay, you want to do abroad. You want to go abroad.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay, but you want to become a CA. So if you
yes.
become CA in future, so why did you leave this country and you want to go there? Means,
There, there are much money in abroad country.
okay.
In India, 15,000 per month,
Mm,
50,000. In
mm,
abroad country, 1 lakh per month, and good facilities for their places.
okay. So tell me, what is which kind of food prepared by your mom today?
My mother makes food. Savai, you know savai, lacha.
Yes, I love Sawai. I love Sawai.
Yeah.
I'm not at place, otherwise I would love to eat that thing, but I'm so far from you. And I don't have any friends here. And I cannot go
Oh,
also. If I would have one or two, then I wouldn't able to go there. But it's okay. I can smell it, like feel it. But I
okay.
ate once. I ate once when I was very small, when I was living in Varanasi. So there was one brother. I called him brother, and he always invited us on the Eid and offer us sevaiya, and we enjoyed the sevaiya a lot. I love it actually.
You like this? You like savai?
Yes, I love it.
Okay. And my mother prepared food, chola bhatura and dahi bada,
Yes.
and like after lunch, in a lunch time, chicken biryani.
Okay. And in dinner also she will cook something else.
No, this time my mother did not make dinner. And each
Oh.
time in the time to lunch timing, not a dinner
No,
timing.
no, no. I'm talking about when the night will come. Your mother prepare for cook for dinner also.
No,
No, means you do not eat dinner.
yesterday night.
No, no. I'm asking. See, morning she cook something, okay,
Yes,
for you, and then
yeah,
this is but breakfast or lunch she cooked for you. Okay,
yes,
and after
yes.
that ate it already. Now by the evening, means at night, you again feel
Yes,
hungry. So she
yes,
is going to cook something else.
yes. My mother, she is going to cook food in the night, in the night, and she will
Yeah, she will
something
cook
like
something else. Means
yes, yes,
otherwise,
yes.
what you will eat and sleep?
No, no,
You
no,
can't.
no. She will make me some food.
Yeah, yeah, really. So how many brother and sister you are?
There are 7 family members.
Okay,
Uh, 4 brothers, 1 sisters, and
okay. So
father,
you
mother.
are the younger one or the older one?
2 elders and all youngest one, and me.
Okay, so you are the smallest one. The younger one?
My brothers is younger one.
Okay. So you have one more brother who is younger
Yes,
than
yes,
you.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
He's younger.
He's going to school or college?
He went to go college.
He's going college. So he is
No,
also
no.
not
He's, he prepared MBBS exam, like a NEET prepared exam.
MBBS exam.
Yes, yes, a entrance exam.
After 10th or 12th?
After 12.
After 12th.
After 12 he prepared the NEET exam.
Okay.
He lived in Kota,
Okay.
but
Right now
after
he is in Kolkata?
but right now he is staying home.
Okay. Because of the pandemic, he came back?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, one thing is very good thing. They like I would say that pandemic is not good, but if you see the other side of this situation, then you will find then you have a gathering, like you are
Yes,
spending your time with your family, which you were not doing. You
yes,
were not able to do that, but now you can sit together, eat together, and talk together. Like that,
yes,
this you can do that. Now you are celebrating your festival also together, which is not possible if you are in Mumbai and he will be in Kota. Then your mother is going to celebrate this festival
yes.
alone.
It was not possible in other side.
But like you suppose you are in Mumbai, but and festivals came, so you go back for celebration back to home.
Yes, yes. After 2 years, 1 year, I came to home and enjoy my occasion and enjoyed my occasion.
Okay, good. Is anything you want to ask me?
Do you join any English classes?
No, I do not do. I do my own practice to myself. I use Hello Talk and Buddy Talk, where I find the people with whom I can talk and I can practice my English. You can do also the same if you don't have any person with whom you can talk. So you can
What about
down
what? What about
yes,
you? Hello talk.
Hello Talk. Download Hello Talk. Hello Talk.
Yes,
HELLO
yes,
and
yes. I know.
TALK.
I
Huh.
know.
Download it and find the person and you start talking to them. It's a very
Live
good app.
live conversation, video calling, audio calling.
Yes, you can do video calling, audio calling, but after knowing to each other, but you should have trust also, na? If you are
Yeah,
talking to someone, like we have
yes,
a trust that you are a good guy and you are thinking that I am
yes,
a good woman. So after that, we are talking to each other. So you
yes.
have just the trust, and after that, you can start video call, audio call. You can exchange your number. It's up to you.
It is chargeable. It is not chargeable.
Free, it's free. But you will
Oh,
not approach. At a one time, you can approach only 5 people, not more than that. But it's enough now. If you're every day, you can approach 5 people. It's good to you. It's
okay.
no necessity.
Today I will download this app and I will search for you. I
But
will search
if you were knowing about this, then why did you not download it?
because I have lots of uploaded app,
Okay.
downloaded app. Uh, but I'm not using the Hello Talk.
Okay. You were using any app
Different,
earlier?
yes, different talk. I think 1 second. I will give you name. Tapri. You know Tapri?
No. So
And
how it
just
is? How it is?
Assis classes.
Okay. It's a paid.
Yeah, Tapri it is free, and Assis classes it is chargeable.
Oh, Ashish classes. I heard about this classes
Uh,
actually. The
it is
app is going.
it was translate to Hindi to English, and it is uh, per day 2 to 3 tutorial like in the Hindu newspaper.
Okay. So it is useful for you. Is
Yes,
it
it is
you?
useful for me. Yes, because some days I use this app, Access Classes, and Tapri. 1 week ago, I have downloaded this app.
Okay. Okay, good. Do work on it, and definitely you will improve it. You are speaking good English. There are some mistakes are there, but it's okay if we are not talking Hindi perfect. So how we expect that we should speak Hindi perfect?
Yes,
Understand?
in here.
Yes, we are talking Hindi perfect. No, you are talking
You.
Hindi perfectly. No,
Yes,
we
I'm.
are
Yes,
telling you.
yes, I'm.
Hindi like Shuddh Hindi, like what we
No,
are
no,
talking. That's
I'm not.
actual.
I'm not talking Shuddh Hindi.
Yes, it's very difficult. जैसे महोदया, आप क्या
It
कर
is
रहे
more
हो?
difficult. It is more difficult.
Yes. So don't think that if you're doing mistake, it's okay. There is no problem. Even I do sometimes mistake. In this video, maybe I did so many mistakes, but it's okay. If I will not speak, then how I will improve myself? How I
And
will rectify my
you will
mistake?
join the EnglishCRE.com. It is chargeable, but it is cheapest chargeable.
Okay.
Seven
Okay.
799 799 in a month, and you have to pay 799, and per day, one in a week, 5 classes you have to take. You will have 5 classes.
Okay. So what do you think? Which one is
Every class.
which one is useful? Clappingo or which you're talking about? Which one is useful?
Right now I have taken a Calipingo app, and in a session close in Calipingo, then I will go to EnglishRE.com.
Okay. So you are not uploading any video related
No,
to Clappingo?
no, I am not uploaded relating to video from Calipingo, but and finish my course, then I want to video in Calipingo.
Okay. After that you will
Yes, then I will upload finish my call.
okay, okay. Okay, Chan, na? It's a Chan.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Chan. Nice talking to
And
you. And
how about my English?
yeah, you are on learning stage right now. You
Yes,
have some in sentences and all, but I will say this thing also that you will improve one day, because I was earlier at this stage. Now I am little higher, but it's okay. But it's still, I'm not saying that I'm not doing mistake. Still I'm
yes.
doing mistake,
With
and
me, I also have a mistake. You will make
will go
mistake,
by the
improve.
yes, yes. So it's okay, but do not stop talking. You keep talking with your
Yes,
friends like us, and you will definitely you will improve one day.
yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Achan. It's nice
Thank you, ma'am.
talking to you.
Have a nice day.
Okay. Happy Eid once again.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.